Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about 10 ways you can make money from home. Yes, you heard that right. There are many ways to earn money online, but not all of them are easy. So today we will discuss 10 reliable and easy ways to make good money online. Through these methods you can work on your own schedule, and you can use your skills to earn a good income. To learn everything about these methods, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Alright friends, the first method is freelancing. Freelancing means working independently online using your skills. You can register and promote your services through websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal. You can do anything from writing articles, translating, graphic designing, to web development through freelancing. Freelancing is great because you can work on your own schedule. Also, you can choose only the work you like. Through freelancing, you can earn a good income ranging from $5 to $100 per hour. The second method is affiliate marketing. This is a very easy method. What you need to do is promote products or services available on websites like Amazon, ShareASale, and ClickBank through your website, blog, or social media. If someone purchases a product or service through your promotion, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is great because you don't need to make any investment. Also, you can work at your own time. Through affiliate marketing, you can earn a good income ranging from $50 to $1,000 per month. The third method is online tutoring. If you can teach math, science, English, or any other subject, you can earn a good income through online tutoring. Through websites like VIP Kid, Cambly, and Preply, you can register and teach students from anywhere in the world. Online tutoring is great because you can work on your own schedule. Additionally, you can share your knowledge and help others. Through online tutoring, you can earn a good income ranging from $15 to $50 per hour. Chapter 4. Selling digital products. Earn creatively. The fourth method is selling digital products. If you can create digital products like ebooks, online courses, printables, templates, and similar items, you can sell them online and earn a good income. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy allow you to sell your digital products. Selling digital products is great because you can create a product once and sell it repeatedly. This means you can earn passive income. Through selling digital products, you can earn a good income ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars per month. Chapter 5. Stock photography and videos. Sell your photos and videos. The fifth method is stock photography and videos. If you are skilled in photography or videography, you can sell your photos and videos online and earn a good income. Through websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock, you can market your photos and videos. Stock photography and videos are great because you can earn a passive income. This means you upload a photo or video once, and it can be sold repeatedly. Through stock photography and videos, you can earn from 25 cents to as much as $120 per download. Chapter 6. Blogging. Earn money by writing your thoughts. The sixth method is blogging. If you have good knowledge about a certain field, you can create a blog and earn a good income through it. When your blog gets traffic, you can earn income through advertising networks like Google AdSense. Additionally, you can write sponsored posts and do affiliate marketing. Blogging is great because you can work on your own schedule. You can also write about things you love. Through blogging, you can earn a good income ranging from $500 to $10,000 per month. The seventh method is becoming a virtual assistant. If you can provide administrative tasks, social media management, or customer support services remotely, you can earn a good income as a virtual assistant. Through websites like Belay, Time, etc., and Freelancer, you can register and work as a virtual assistant from anywhere in the world. Working as a virtual assistant is great because you can work on your own schedule. Additionally, you can use your skills to work in various fields. As a virtual assistant, you can earn a good income, ranging from $55 to $50 per hour. The eighth method is print on demand. If you are a creative person, you can earn a good income through print on demand. Through print on demand, you can print your designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other products and sell them. Websites like Printful, Redbubble, and Zazzle provide print-on-demand services. Print-on-demand is great because you don't need to make any investment. Additionally, you can promote your designs globally. Through print-on-demand, you can easily earn between $500 to $5,000 per month. The ninth method is YouTube content creation. If you are skilled at video creation, you can earn a good income through YouTube. You can share your skills, knowledge, or experiences, provide entertainment, or create videos with educational value. When your YouTube channel gets traffic, you can earn income through Google AdSense. Additionally, you can get sponsorships and sell memberships. Through YouTube content creation, you can earn a good income and also build your own brand. The 10th method is remote data entry. This is a very simple method. All you have to do is enter data for businesses. You can find remote data entry jobs through websites like Clickworker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Indeed. Remote data entry is great because you don't need any prior experience. Additionally, you can work at your own time. Through remote data entry, you can earn between $10 to $20 per hour. Alright friends, today we talked about 10 ways to make money online. All these methods are easy to do, reliable, and can help you earn good money. But remember, nothing happens overnight. You will need to work hard and be patient. Also, don't forget to develop your skills. Start today, and you too can succeed online.